lights are off. I'm going to switch them on quickly. There we go. Now, I couldn't sleep at all. Like, yeah, but fan was just like go for 2020. Couldn't sleep, so it's currently 6 in the morning, I think. Let me take a look. Well, for me it is 6:30 currently right now, so I don't want to wake the others up. Yeah, I got micro mark. I'm filming this. Yeah, it just has bad bearings. And yeah, you can hear the birds chirping. I've been hearing them since 3 in the morning. Yeah, the phone has quite very bad bearings. Look. Low. You can hear the scratching noises. The fan is quite powerful though. Medium. High. Off. Yeah, it's been on times quick. Bearings are bad. But oh well. Yeah, this is the Electron right there. That fan's fine. Same place as 2004 Duracraft. But, you know, good fan. Nothing wrong with it, just this one. You know, you can see where it's back yellowing on the patch. Oscillating up there. Down in there. Like, on that thing that holds the back row on. This part of the motor housing and the neck bracket. We've got, it has the older and newer tilt adjustment actually. It has the older and the newer one. I think that's a bit weird. Yeah, couldn't sleep at all last night. So I stayed up all night on Geometry Dash. Because why not? If you're wondering, this fan's going to go into storage because I couldn't clip fan. But yeah, just a quick video on the Micromark 12-inch desk fan. Yeah, I don't know, just a quick video. 6 in the morning, definitely doesn't feel like it, but yeah, thanks for watching and see ya.